How to set up Paycheck direct deposits to Cash app. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to set up Paycheck direct deposits to Cash app. First, launch the Cash app mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the home page of the app, where you will see options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From there, go to the bottom menu here and then make sure you tap this option here with the bank icon. This will take you to the money section of Cash app, just like you can see here. You can normally find the Paycheck option in two areas. The first area you can find is this one here, as you can see. Make sure you tap on it if you see it here. Also, if you can see it, all you have to do is scroll down. Keep scrolling down until you reach this section named More Ways to Add Money. Under the section, there are more options, as you can see here. From those options, tap this one here named Direct Deposit. After that, this page will appear where you will see several options. From those options, make sure you tap this option here to get started if your employer uses the Cash app. You will then land on this page and see a list of employers on Cash app. Look for your employer's name from the list. If you can't see it, then you can also go to the search bar at the top of the page and type the name of your employer to search for it. Sometimes your employer may not be on Cash app. If that is the case, then come back to the previous page and scroll to the bottom of the page. After that, make sure you copy the routing and account number shown here, and then exit the Cash app and go to your employer's website or wherever they have requested you to send the payment details. So go ahead and share with them the information you have copied. They will then be able to send you your payments. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to set up Paycheck direct deposits to Cash app.